Whoa, good day for a race.
Oh, let's talk. Let's walk.
Oh, I'm gonna catch you up, guys.
Nice. Let's race.
Let's race. It's a good day for racing.
Oh, it's a sunny day.
Yeah, let's go in the city and see what is going on. Yeah, nice day. Let's go to the other way.
Let's go.
I'm gonna catch you.
Oh my God!
What's
happening here?
Oh, this bike is gonna crush me. Oh,
You wanna kill me?
Wait.
No way.
I am the villain. I'm gonna crush your car.
God.
Oh no! Help!
What's
Help!
this?
Help!
Oh my God!
I'm gonna help you.
Rescue them.
Oh no, you're not gonna try to.
Oh my God!
Oh my God! Don't push me! I am the black truck. No, I am the cream.
My queen.
Yeah. Oh, whoa.
Oh, what's this?
Help us! Somebody help us! Oh,
my God!
help us round the ground! Help us, please! There is no one gonna try to help you. I am the queen.
You bring my
Villain.
Did you hear?
Yeah, I hear somebody call for help. So, what we are gonna do? We're gonna try to help them. Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go.
I am the Batman. I'm gonna go rescue you guys on the bat track.
Oh, my friend Batman. Let's do some push-up. Yeah. Wow, it's a good day.
2, 3. Hey kids, do some sports to be stronger. 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are ready for the
rescue.
Yeah, so get up. So you are the green bike.
Yes, I am. I'm gonna destroy you.
Your place is in the prison. You're gonna to jail now.
Yeah, Batman. Go and kick him.
Catch him, Batman. Yeah. Nice try, Batman and Spiderman, but I have a trick. I'm good. Wait for me, Batman. I am coming.
Spiderman, this is an humiliation. Look at my head. It's stuck in here.
Oh yes, Batman, me too. I am stuck here in the tree.
How did you call Mr. Tractor Pen on a bottle pill? Oh yeah!
Mr. Tractor Pen on a bottle. Tractor Pen, did you hear the call? Yes, my friend. I heard for help.
It's going where?
Let's go and help Spider-Man and Batman. Yes, let's go. Dear friends, we are here to help you guys. What's the mission, Batman and Spider-Man? Go and help the girls.
Go and help the Mr. the Pooler, my queen.
Now, dear friends, we're gonna help them right now. Let's go, my friend. Oh, what's going on, guys? Oh, some green bike just crushed us here. Oh, I'm gonna help you guys. Thank you, man. Thank you. Tractor Bear.